Hi everyone, my name is Arthur. I'm certified ABAP developer and workflow specialist from over 16 years. Welcome to the SAP Workflow training, the only course you need to become an SAP Workflow expert. After completing this course, you will be able to create your own complex SAP workflow from scratch. You will deal with maintenance, analysis, and debugging of existing SAP workflow processes without any problem. Shortly speaking, you will update the SAP workflow into your profile and take your professional career to the next level. I have been the SAP consultant for the largest companies in the world. I've helped hundreds and hundreds of people learn of SAP Workflow, ABAP programming, and change their careers. That is the complex SAP Workflow course directly rooted on my experience. It gathers all I would like to know when I started my SAP Workflow projects. Everything is shown on the live SAP system, communicated in a simple and understandable way. The course starts with an introduction of what SAP Workflow is, later creation of the simplest SAP workflow on the system. We go through all aspects of SAP Workflow, like Workflow Builder, dialog and background tasks, business objects, inheritance and delegations of them, workflow built on classic SE24 objects, containers, bindings, events, user assignments with roles, rules, and organizational structures. All is presented on the newest SAP HANA system. And the best part is that I'm constantly updating it with the new content. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll it now!